What's that? It's the owl. Oh. Where do you put the owl? Okay, good job. Oh, here. Okay. Next one. A bear. Oh, careful. Huwag mo sirahin, baby. Good job, a bear. Here. It's number 8. Okay. Careful. Careful. Careful lang, baby. That's the number 7. What's that? Neigh. Oh, it looks like a horse, but it's a zebra. Oh, careful lang, baby ko. Oh, a snake. Oh, you show it to them. Wow, a snake. Good job. Next one. What's that? What's that? That's a fox. It's not a dog. It's a fox. You show it to them. You show it. You show it. Oops. Mali. Good baby. Here. Yan. Good job. Fox. Oh, what else? What else do we have here? There. What's that? It's a rabbit. Wow. Good job. Stick it nicely. Oh, it's a deer. No, it's not there. Yan. Good job. Where else? Yan. What's that? It's a... No, it's a swan. It's a family of the duck. What does the duck say? Huh? Oh, a crocodile. Wow, good job. Last one. Where's the last one? We still have one more. There. What's that? I don't know what this is. Is this an armadillo or something? I don't know. That's 5. Okay, good job. No, next page. Oh, next page lang, baby. Dito lang. Oh, yan. Wow. Oh. Wow. Oh. Show it. Wow. You have so many cars. Oh, go. Oh, blue. Where's the blue one here? Blue. You put it on blue. Okay, good job. What else? That's a blue one. What's that? Blue. Okay, good job. What else? A fire truck. Oh, where's the blue one? No, that's not blue. That's not red. Okay, that's the red one. Good job. What else? Red. Oh, where's the red one here? Red. Good job. Oh, another one. Where's the green one? There. A green. Oh, what color is that? Oh, where do you put the green one here? Oh, you put it here. No, that's a yellow. Don't put it on the green. You put it on the yellow one. Yellow. You fix it. Yeah, good job. Oh, where's the other yellow? Yun. Where's the yellow? Good job. How about the green one? There, green. Yeah, good job. Very good naman ang baby ko. Yan, there. This one. Wow, good job. What else? Next one. Bye-bye cars. Oh, here. Oh, wow, grocery. Grocery. Oh, look. Oh, what do you want to buy? You put it here, 6 pieces. No, you put here 6 pieces muna. Oh. You get 1. Oh, you put it here on the circles. Okay. Lemon. And then, what's that? A hot dog bun. What else do you want to buy?
Orange.
Orange! Oh, show it to them. That's an orange.
Orange.
Oh, you put it there. What
I
else?
jump.
What else? Wow, that's an eggplant. Oh, you show it.
Wow.
Eggplant. And then you're going to buy also a broccoli. Oh,
Mommy, a
yes.
burger.
oh, another one. You get another one. Oh, chicken! Yay! Your push cart is full. You have to pay for it.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Okay, next one.
Go.
Wait lang. Oh, here. What's that? It's a girl. Oh, you dress the girl up. Oh, here. Oh, how about this one? Oh, you want to dress her like that?
Here go.
Oh, hair. This is for the girl's hair. Oh, you know. Wow. You like it?
Hero.
Yes.
Already.
I don't like it. Oh, what do you want?
Hero.
Ay, that's not for the hair. Ngek, that's not for a boy.
Huh?
That's a boy. Oh,
For hair.
yan. Good job.
Hey.
How about the boy? You dress up the boy. Oh, what do you want the boy to wear? Oh,
Sorry.
hat. A red hat. You want for the boy?
No.
What do you want? We only have 2 hats here. What's that? Okay, your shirt. Oops. Where do you put the shirt? Ba here
Wow.
on top?
Sure.
You put it here. Yan. How about the short? Ngek.
Hey.
That's not a hat.
Hey.
That's not a hat.
Here go.
Oh, short. Shirt. Wow, good job.
A
Good-
rock.
Yes. You put it on his head. Yan.
Rocky. No rock.
You don't like it.
Wow.
Oh. Ano ba ito?
Hey, got it.
Wow, a hat. Ito short. Oh, yung terno nito, baby. Oh, there.
Yeah.
Oops. Ay, look, yung palda ni ate. There. How about here? Wow, a clock. What's this?
No.
I don't like it. How about this one? Oh, yeah. What's that? Whoa! You like it? Oh. Where's the purple? You put it back.
Yellow, go.
Yellow. You get the yellow one. Where's the yellow one?
Blue, go.
Blue here. What color is that? Pink. Okay.
Brown. Brown.
That's black.
Brown.
Oh, where's the black one? There. Good job. The other one.
Brown, go. Brown.
Okay. That's black.
Again, go.
Green. Good job.
Got it.
Oops. It's a purple.
Oops,
Good job.
go.
A triangle. That's a triangle.
Sarah.
Okay. How about
Other.
orange? Okay.
Oh,
What's that? Red. It's correct na. You put it here na. Yes, that's red. Don't put it on the other color.
Oh.
No, that's blue. No. You put it here. That's the red. Okay. Oh, where's the red one here?
Go.
Okay, put the blue one there.
Oh, go.
Okay, 5. That's 5. What else do we have?
Red.
That's pink. No, it's not red, baby. That's pink. This is the red one, oh. You put the pink one here. And the red one there. Yeah, good job. How about the yellow one?
Wow, more two.
Oh, yes, that's the number 2. Oh, you put it there. No, not there. Here. There. How about the yellow one?
Yellow.
No, that's not yellow. What color is that?
Green.
Green. The last one. Where's the last one?
Mm.
Where's the last one? Here, oh.
Ah. Yeah.
You don't see it? Ay, yun. Oh, you put it there na. Yellow. Yay! Galing naman na, oh. You show it to them. Very good. Oh.
Ah.
Oh, next page. Oh. You're going to put it back? Oh.
Nana. Ah.
Careful.
Go,
Yes.
go, buddy.
What do you want?
Daddy.
The blue one? Here is the blue one. Oh, what's that? Purple.
Ah, more too.
You have more. Oh, careful. Don't do that, Noma. No. Careful lang, Noah.
Say bye-bye na, oh. Ano, finish na?
Yes.
Say bye-bye na to camera.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Oh.
I-kiss mo na.
Oh,
Kiss
fine
them.
kiss.
Mwah. Ay, sungit naman. Paano ko mag-vlog niyan?
Bye! Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Until next time. Oh.
Hmm.
Say bye-bye na.
Say bye-bye na.
Say
Ay,
bye-bye na.
close it na.
Bye-bye na.
I-turn it off na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sungit.
Mag-bye mo na.
12 minutes
Hindi,
na.
wag
Bye-bye
yan.
na. I-say bye-bye mo na. Bye-bye.
No.
Bye.
No.
Bye.
You don't like to say bye? O, say bye na. Bye.
Flying kiss na lang.
Flying kiss. Ang sungit.
Sagutan ba niya lahat?
Mm.
Hmm?
Very
No,
good.
So no. So no.
Ay.
Oh,
Why did you
bye.
do it?
See you next vlog.
No.
Bye.
No. No.
Ay, ay.
No.
Ay, ay. Tinaman.
Bye. Bye-bye.
No. No.
I-say bye na kasi. Oh, tingnan mo.
Balik,
Tingnan mo.
balik.
Tingnan mo. Wawa sa akin yan.
No.
Tingnan mo.
No. Bye.